All right, let's look at homework 2.4, problem number 7. All right, so we want to prove that the limit of x squared minus 1 as x approaches negative 4 is equal to 15. All right, so let's do that. So given epsilon greater than or equal to 0, so that's same as for all epsilon greater than 0, we need delta to be greater than 0. Such that if distance between x and a negative 4 is between 0 and delta, right, so the distance between function x squared minus 1 and the limit value, which is 15, is going to be less than epsilon. So that part, those two parts are exactly the same every time. Upon simplifying, we need x squared minus 16 is less than epsilon. Right, whenever distance between x and negative 4 is between 0 and delta. Notice that, so here's the assumption. So we assume that the delta is less than or equal to 1. So we have that. Right, absolute value of x plus 4 is less than 1, means that x plus 4 is between negative 1 and a positive 1. Right, then we can subtract 8 from all three guys to get negative 9 is less than x minus 4 is less than negative 7. Right? So which means that the absolute value of x minus 4 at the most is 9. Right? Because you take the absolute value, so 9. So we take delta to be, alright, so it's going to be epsilon over 9, and the minimum of epsilon over 9, comma 1. Alright, then if x plus 4, absolute value is between 0 and delta, which implies that x minus 4 is less than 9. So that comes from here. And also x plus 4 is less than epsilon over 9. Right, so that if you, let's see, how do we create this? X squared minus y minus 15, which we want to say it's less than epsilon, is same thing as quantity x plus 4 times x minus 4 with the absolute value sign. And here, x plus 4 is bounded by epsilon over 9, so we can replace by a larger one. And x minus 4 is bounded by 9, so it's right here. Multiplied together, you're going to get epsilon there. Right? So the limit is going to be 15. Right? So the textbook or this system kind of a little bit does it differently from how I did it in class, but this is an equivalent process. All right, let's double check, submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got all these parts correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.